Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at this Cambridge entrance exam question on logarithmic simultaneous equations given as follows. By the end of the video you will learn the key log rules to convert these sort of equations into quadratic simultaneous equations and then easily solve them to find the value of y. So let's get started. The first equation involves the sum of two logs. Therefore, using this product rule, we can rewrite as log to the base 10 2y minus 1 equals to log to the base 10 x squared, and therefore 2y minus 1 equals to x squared. Similarly, since log base a of 1 is always equal to 0 for any base, we can write the second equation as y plus 3 minus 3x equals to 1. We therefore have two simultaneous equations, 2y minus 2 equals to x squared and y minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. If you're enjoying the video so far, then please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Now, we want to find the values of y, so we rewrite the second equation to eliminate x. So we get x equals to y plus 2 over 3, and therefore plugging that into the first equation, we get 2y minus 2 equals to y plus 2 squared over 9. And rearranging this, we get the quadratic y squared minus 14y plus 22 equals to 0. And then we can use the quadratic formula to find the solution, which is given as 7 plus or minus square root of 27, which are the values of y. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.